If you use OneNote to organize your notes, schoolwork, meetings, or projects, learning how to create a new notebook section and a new page is one of the most useful basics you can master. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do both, step by step, so you can keep your notes clean, structured, and easy to find. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's start with creating a new section. First, open your OneNote notebook. Depending on your layout, you'll either see the navigation pane on the left side of the screen or horizontal section tabs across the top. This is where OneNote keeps your main notebook sections. Now look for the Add Section button, or the plus icon, which is usually located at the bottom of your existing sections list. Click that button once, and OneNote will create a brand new section for you. As soon as the new section appears, type the name you want to give it. For example, you might name it Work Notes, School, Ideas, or Meetings, depending on how you want to stay organized. Once you've typed the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. That's it. Your new section is now created and ready to use. Next, let's create a new page inside that section. First, click on the section you just created so OneNote knows where you want the page to go. After that, look for the Pages column, which is usually located directly to the right of your sections. This column is where OneNote stores all the pages inside your selected section. Now click the Add Page button, or the plus icon, which may appear at the top or bottom of that Pages column, depending on your version of OneNote. OneNote will instantly create a blank new page for you. To name it, click into the blank area above the thin horizontal line on the page canvas, type your page title there, and OneNote will automatically use that text to rename the page in your page list. This is a really helpful feature because it keeps your notebook organized from the start. Instead of leaving pages untitled, you can give each one a clear name right away, like To-Do List, Project Plan, Lecture Notes, or Weekly Review. That makes it much easier to search through your notebook later and find exactly what you need. So to recap, creating a new section helps you separate different topics, and creating a new page helps you break those topics into smaller, more manageable notes. Once you understand these two steps, OneNote becomes much easier to use every day. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.